China's policy towards Uyghurs is back in focus as United States granted asylum to Chinese national Guan Heng, who exposed human rights abuses in China's Xinjiang province. In 2020, Guan secretly filmed detention facilities in Xinjiang province of China, which is home to nearly 11.5 million Uyghurs. The video shows a heavily guarded compound with tall boundary walls having a number of buildings and watchtowers in an area close to the hills. As per human rights groups, more than 1 million Uyghurs have been detained by Chinese authorities in such facilities. After releasing the video, Guan first went to Hong Kong and from there to Ecuador, where Chinese tourists can travel without a visa, and then to the Bahamas. He illegally entered United States by traveling on a boat to Florida in October 2021. While he applied for asylum subsequently, he was arrested in August 2025 by ICE agents. Then in December, US aborted the prospect of deporting him to Uganda. In his ruling, Justice Charles Auslander found Guan to be a credible witness. He ruled that the legal eligibility for asylum has been established in this case. The court also held that Guan can face retaliation if he is deported back to his country, highlighting that his family members have already been questioned by Chinese authorities. However, the Chinese national is yet to be released as the US Department of Homeland Security can file an appeal against this order within 30 days. The resource-rich province of Xinjiang, remember, is considered to be strategic for China owing to its proximity to Central Asia and Europe. Human rights groups have accused China of detaining Uyghur Muslims to homogenize their cultural, religious and political beliefs. It is pertinent also to note that China has always denied the allegations of human rights abuses in Xinjiang, saying that it runs vocational training programs for the locals there. The treatment of Uyghurs was raised by UK's Prime Minister Keir Starmer as well during his talks with Xi Jinping earlier today.
Well, we raised those issues as you would expect. Part of the rationale for engagement is to make sure that we can both seize the opportunities that are available, which is what we've done, but also have a mature discussion about issues that we disagree on. Yes, we did have a respectful discussion about that.